your doubts should be cleared. You can clear all your doubts, any topic. Anything you have not understood, you tell the name of the topic so that I can upload, and again we will discuss. In the meantime, you have sufficient timing. You revise your lectures. Question of the relation will be the information like parts of the structure or the same structure. Not kidney. Yeah, one thing I will tell you. Just I will just I will upload one lecture topic so you will understand how it will be. Okay. Okay. For give us always if you can. What always? Yes, yes, yes. Yes. 1 minute. I will uploading the lecture, so it will be easy for you to understand. Okay. Just see this. This is an example. All example. I mean all examples like how will come. No, that's what I am telling you. All example means what? Yeah, that's what I am telling. See, example, if I give this picture, okay, if I give this picture and I put the marking like the same markings in like this, okay, what you will write? So I will ask, what is this? Okay, this will be the A. Okay, so what is the answer for this? What is this part of the heart? You just answer along with me. So then only you practice with me, then it is easy to understand you. Okay, simply I go on telling and you are telling yes, yes, yes means it. You somebody wants to speak, if you can speak also. No, no, no. Don't see. Don't tell the names which are there in this diagram. This part, the part where they have written left ventricle, that is left ventricle. Where I made a marking, it is not the left ventricle. It is the another part of the heart. Very good. So this is the apex. It is yes. It is an example I am telling how it will be. So first answer you have written apex of the heart. So then what will be the second question? Second question I will ask. Mention its location. Mention its location and its vertebral relation. What you will write? What is its location? Location,
Maybe
location.
sternum.
No. Where the apex of, I mean, the question is The point where the question one is what is the pointed structure? So that you told it is the apex of the heart. Okay.
Okay.
Then
And
what is my second question? The second question is location. Location, where it is located? It is located in fifth intercostal space. That is its location.
okay. We
This
can
is
see
no,
also mediasternum.
no. Mediasternum, the whole heart is present. The whole heart
Okay,
is present.
okay. You need
I am,
the of
you,
apex.
yeah. So your question
Okay,
is very
okay.
specific, specific
Okay,
to that point.
okay. Okay,
Okay.
great, great.
So again, okay, one more example. Like, no, it is better if we discuss the practical slides. Otherwise, you will get confused. 1 minute again, I will upload that
Of
practical
course, of
slides.
course.
Okay. Yeah,
Okay.
because
Doctor.
so if I
Mm-hmm.
tell something again, you will understand something. So that is
Mm-hmm.
difficult. I will upload. Just give me a time.
Take your time, doctor.
Okay, okay. I will tell everyone. Everyone has to talk. Not only one person is talking and others are listening. The person who is talking, he will clarify only about some only few doubts of his. So he is
Of
also
course,
not
of
knowing
course.
what the other student or others are having the doubts. If you all discuss, then only we can clarify all doubts. Because otherwise, the only leader is asking, he is clarifying only whatever doubts he is having, he will clarify. Okay. So
Okay,
this is
clear,
the
doctor.
for all students, because only one person is talking again. Okay, this is what I mean. This is what my suggestion. Mm, inferior of the heart. No. Inferior of the heart is not correct. The correct answer is apex of the heart. But the question I need to know the image. That's what I am doing. We will discuss the practical slides only. So then only you will get the correct idea. Okay. Now, can you see all the slides?
Yes, doctor.
Okay. So imagine there is no label. So it is a whatever the diagrams we are discussing, all the diagrams we will discuss. So for remember all the diagrams, there is no marking. Okay. Now what is this diagram? What is this picture?
You have your bronchi, a trachea.
Yeah. Okay. So if this picture will come, so what is your answer? What you have to write? So this is the picture of trachea. Okay.
Okay.
Then the second question, what will be the second question?
Type of
Mention,
cartilage.
yeah, okay. One is like cartilage. How
Mm-hmm.
many cartilages are there? How many cartilages? 16 to 20 cartilages. And then
Okay.
what is the type? What is the type of cartilage?
Hyaline cartilage.
Yes, very good. And what is its upper and lower vertebral levels?
Our, I think, is 6 or not?
Yes. No,
60.
yeah,
C6.
this is this is the type of questions. And then what are the divisions? So how it is divided? The cervical part and the thoracic part.
Part.
Okay, like this.
Mhm.
Okay. Next, we'll come to this picture. See, not it is not mandatory that whatever the things I am discussing, the same thing it will come in the exam. And doctor, you didn't told that point. You are asking this point. I am giving just an example how the exam will be.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, we understand, Doctor.
Yeah, this is the just discussion.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
About
it's clear.
this. Okay. So about this picture. So in this picture, I will ask only this structure. Okay. What is this A?
Sternum, body
Yeah.
of sternum.
Whatever it is, whatever you can write. So I am not
Mm-hmm.
asking which part of the sternum or what it is. You can write anything. Just read the question. So it is, you have to read the question and answer to that point. You can write body of the sternum, monobrium sternum, jiffy sternum, whatever it is. If I ask only what is this, identify the structure. So then next question B will be what type of the bone? What is that?
Flat bone.
What type of bone? What type of bone it is? And give examples.
Okay, like, here is a flat bone, correct?
Yes, very good. It is a flat bone. And another example for this?
Sternum, لا sternum, scapula.
Yes,
Skull or
skull. Very good.
scapula. Scapula.
No. Scapula is also flat bone. Very good. Scapula. You can give example of skulls. Okay. Now you got the idea.
Okay, great, Doctor.
Okay. Next. So here, suppose if I ask only this, what is this? I will give this picture. Here just what is this? Here just name the structure and no, just it is an example. That is what I am telling you. It is just a example. Or sometimes if I want to ask the bones, so I will ask name 5 axial skeletal bones or name 6 axial skeletal bones or name 2
Clear.
irregular.
It's easy.
Okay, name another example. Name 2 irregular bones. So which are the irregular bones?
Vertebra.
Yes, very good.
Mm,
Very good. Hip bone.
coccyx.
The
Hips bone,
person who is
yes.
telling hip bone, it is good. Like this.
Ali Rajhi.
Or name 4 long bones in the body. So which are the long bones?
We have
Humerus,
humor,
very good.
yes, and femur.
Femur.
Tarsal.
No. Tarsal, they are small bones.
Mm.
Long bone means bones
Ulna.
of the.
Ulna.
No. Yes, Allah. Long bone means,
Because
remember, say, listen me. Long bone means, yes, femur, tibia, correct. Those who are answering, that is correct. Long bone means the bones of the upper arm and leg. Now it is your duty. You remember how you remember and names of the bones. Okay. Okay. So in this picture, suppose if I like this. So in this picture, if I ask, so what is what it is? Can you see this? What is this part of the heart?
Right atrium.
Okay, right
It's
atrium. So just
yes.
in now you think
Receive
now you yourself think what all the questions what are the possible questions from this?
relation of the right atrium.
Okay,
Or
very good.
receive
O-
non
o- Okay, what
non-oxygenated
are the
blood
so one is what are the openings in
relation.
the right atrium? Openings.
Inferior vena cava or
Yes.
vena cava.
Superior and inferior vena cava. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay. So otherwise, so just I will mark something. You just answer like that. This one, and what is this? And then what is this? Or what is this? So so what we will do? A simple question. So what is this? Identify the parts given in this picture. So what you have to write? You just write the names of these points. So
Okay.
first one is aorta.
Aorta.
Very good.
Yes.
Yes. Like this.
Superior vena cava.
Yeah, superior vena cava, right atrium,
And we have
chorda
tricuspid.
tendineae,
Okay,
and chorda tendineae and bicuspid
bicuspid valve.
valve. Just name the parts.
That's
So
great.
here also, so in the other picture also, the questions will relate like this. So identify the picture. Yeah, relations also comes. What are the relations? That is also there. So in the second picture, this picture, what we'll do here? Example, what I will do, I will give this picture and then you have to, what is this? This is the picture of heart. Doctor, if the organ have, 1 minute, if the organ have two names, no, any one names. Don't write, it is not mandatory, you have to write only all the two names. Whichever if any organ having two names, three names, you can write any one name. That is not the problem. Okay, again I will come to this picture. So now I will ask what is your answer? First question, what I will ask, identify the picture. So what you will write?
Heart.
Yeah, this is the picture of heart. Okay. So then mention its blood, name its two blood supply.
I can write aorta. Okay, blood supply of
Blood supply
heart.
of this organ.
Okay, we have coronary artery.
Yes, yeah, that is the person who is telling aorta, it is wrong. Aorta,
Yes.
it is the blood vessel coming from the heart.
Out.
Okay. It is blood supply is the blood supply of the heart is
organ.
Yeah. So the blood supply which is supplying to that particular organ. So it is coronary arteries. Okay. So it is clear now?
Yes, doctor.
Okay, 1 minute. Or suppose we can ask what are the, I will give that picture and then name any two contents of pericardium. or name any 4 contents of pericardium. Okay, this is also one type of question. And next, what are the name the coverings of this organ? No, 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 no.
Doctor, what's the answer of the pericardium questions?
No, pericardium, you have the
I
contents.
know. Okay, we have
The heart.
fibrous and
Yeah.
okay.
No, 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 no.
Mhm.
What you are asking?
About the answer of the pericardium questions.
No, answer. No, my question is name the contents of pericardium.
We have
First
fibrous.
question. Yeah. First. No, 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 no. First, I asked the contents of the pericardium: heart and blood vessels, ascending aorta, pulmonary trunk, superior vena cava, and inferior vena cava.
This is the
These are
relation.
the no. These are the contents of pericardium.
I don't understand, doctor.
See, what is my question?
Mhm.
Identify this structure. So you identified it is the heart.
Clear.
Okay. Next,
Okay.
my question is, what are the contents? What are the contents of pericardium?
Okay, it's now clear.
Yeah. So contents, what are the contents of the pericardium? So I will show you this. This one. Contents of pericardium. Now you can see.
Yes, doctor, it's clear.
Okay. So next. So I will come to the
Yeah,
lecture only.
I
Along with
understand.
that picture, so I may ask uh, the base of the this structure is separated from what? Like this. No, these are the example I am telling you. Or like left border of this structure is formed by what? Left border of the heart, right border of the heart. Okay.
Okay, doctor.
Okay.
It's
Or
clear.
name. Okay. Name the 3 walls of this structure. Name the walls of this 3 walls of 3 means you have to compulsory you have to write 3.
Great.
Okay.
Like epicardium, myocardium, and
Epicardium,
endocardium.
myocardium,
Without definition.
endocardium. Yeah,
Without
just
definition.
see one more point I will tell. We don't
Mhm.
want any explanation to write in the practical exam. Just what you have to do, answer
Name.
to the point. Just name the structures or name the related points like this. So epicardium, don't write outer layer, fibrous layer, inner layer. This is contain
Okay.
muscle, this is contain bones. No, we don't want. If you write, that is good. But for those who can write, they can write. It is not. I am not telling no, not to write. If you have a time, if you remember the structure, you can write whatever the thing. But those who want to write only to the points, just if you write the points is enough for us. How can to know all the things? What is this? You make it is no, it is not hard. Just by seeing all the things you will finding difficulty. Just remember my points, that's all. Okay. Suppose. Okay. That's what. Okay. The relation, the openings of the right atrium like this. So next we'll go to other picture. Doctor, can I write SVC instead of superior vena cava? Okay, you can write, but try to write full. Okay, so now, so you have to, you all have to answer this. So again, here also think that, so these are the plain pictures. Okay, what is this picture? I will give identify question A. You have to identify the picture in the given slide. Very good, very good. See, always remember when you are seeing these two structures, you have to mention the
Right or
side,
left?
right or left. It is very important whether it is not mentioned in the question. Don't tell that, so doctor, you are not written in the question, it is the side of the organ. No, but it is your duty. If you write only lung, you will get the marks, but not full marks.
Okay, clear, doctor.
Okay,
Next.
okay. So suppose if I ask only this picture, what you have to write?
Left lung.
Your answer is left lung. So next, the questions, how the questions will come? How many lobes
Lobe.
are there? Yeah. So name the fissure present in this lung.
Oblique.
So you write only the fissure present in left lung. Don't write both the fissures. It will be a, why I am telling, because it is a time saving for you. Okay,
There are
suppose,
just one fissure, doctor, in the left lung.
yeah, no, because sometimes the students will write both the fissures. For them, those who write, for them I am telling. So here in this picture, again the same question, how many lobes are there?
3 lobes.
3 lobes. How many fissures are there?
2 fissures.
2 fissures. Very good. Or another type of question. So you are now identification is correct now?
Yes, doctor.
Now,
Okay.
doctor, you talk about the left and or right. In the left, there is the one fissure, right?
Yes, in the left there is one fissure. You have to write the name of that fissure. What is the name? That is oblique fissure. So in the right, you have to write 2 fissures, horizontal fissure and oblique fissure. Okay, this is one type of question. So in the another variety, I will ask, identify the picture given in the slide, and then the second question is name the 3 structures related to its costal surface. 3 structures relating to costal surface. What you will write?
Costal cartilage.
Yes, very good. Yes,
Sternum.
Sternum, very good.
And intercostal muscle.
Yes, very good. Okay.
Okay.
So this is how you have to write. Or the thoracic cage, some parts it is correct. Thoracic cage you can write, but the exact one is the sternum, the intercostal muscles. In intercostal space also you can write.
Okay.
Okay. Then so
Okay.
in another type of question. So one is the same
Doctor,
question.
Trachea is related to it.
Trachea is related
Trachea.
to it, is in, Yeah, in front of the esophagus.
But we can write it in this question.
No, 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 no. How can the
Okay.
trachea yeah, your question is correct, but the trachea, I will write the diagram here only. So if trachea is here, okay,
Mhm.
it is dividing like this, okay. Now you only tell, is there any relation to trachea? Now this is the pleura. It is a covering of the lung also. So lung is totally, it is nowhere related to trachea. Okay.
Okay. What's the name of this plural of the lungs? There are, I think, two surface of
Yes,
pleura.
parietal pleura and visceral pleura.
Visceral and the inside.
Yeah, visceral which is covering to the lungs itself. It is very tightly attached to the lungs. And the another layer, it is outer covering.
Okay.
Okay. So in another set of type of questions. So one thing, the identification, it is the same, or name. Then I will ask, name the 4 structures present in the root of the lung. Root of the lung.
Diaphragm.
You didn't get. No. Root. You didn't. I will show in the lecture. You open your lecture.
Yes, I open it. Okay,
Yeah,
bronchi
there.
and bronchial vessels,
Bronchi. Yeah.
pulmonary.
Yes.
Okay,
Bronchi, bronchial artery, all those part. Got it?
it's great, doctor. Yes.
Yeah. Like these are the some uh,
Type of questions.
type of questions we will ask.
Yes.
It is it is not hard.
It's too
Then
much,
what?
but
Yeah, no, but it is too much. But you have to see. It is not
yeah,
like what is this structure, and just like if I ask like this, it is going to be a like small children's exam. Identify this
yeah.
structure. Only lung, next stomach, next heart. That is what I am telling. No. Why I am
Okay.
telling? Because if you repeatedly I am telling the same thing. If you come to the next semester, so there are, as you
عندما في
go on to the higher subject, higher level, the subject will be more. Yes or right?
of course,
Yeah. So the
you
subject
become
which you have,
biggest with the circle.
yeah. No, example, you studied the subject which you have studied in class 5. It is not the same when you study in the class 10. It is increased like
Of
that.
course.
Yeah. Mm.
Okay, we can complete now.
So we are not asking this one. Okay. These things we are not asking.
Great.
The
It's very
bronchial
helpful.
tree. Yeah, no. The bronchial tree and these pictures we are not asking. So because it is just for your information how the division of the trachea is like that. Okay, don't worry about these things. And the functions we are not asking.
But loop is, I think, important or not?
Which one?
Loops.
Yeah, lobes
Type.
and
Okay.
this for the
Division.
it that is why
Okay.
it is a revision and it will be a confusing for you. So that is why
Yes.
it is not, we are not asking. Okay,
Yes,
whatever it is.
understand.
Okay. Now again, so if I ask only the like this, so this will be become very easy to everyone. So if I ask such type of questions, the college will ask, so doctor, it is very easy question. And again, in the review committee, again, they will ask question for me. Okay. So don't think it is very hard. So everything is easy. So we are asking the maximum, the easier parts of the questions. Okay, you got the idea. So
Yes, doctor.
Or sometimes name. Okay, if you write the right lung, so name the identification features, or we will give name these fissures, shape, bronchi.
It's
These are the same.
It's like this. It's like
Yeah,
gift.
yeah, the same. These are the same questions we are asking in the mid exam also. Just it's a small revision for you. Okay.
Okay.
Next, we'll go to next picture. This. So what are these structures?
Thyroid gland.
Yeah, thyroid. This is thyroid gland, and then the blue color one, they are the parathyroid gland.
Okay.
Parathyroid glands. So then here you have to identify what is the relation of the thyroid gland. Yeah, where it is related. Yeah, what is this part? This is the isthmus of the thyroid gland. And what is the relations?
You can write parathyroid. It's relation to thyroid.
No. The question will, it's related to thyroid, but you have to write the thyroid relation, you have to write the tracheal rings. Which tracheal ring it is related?
Okay.
Those things. Yeah, you have to write those things. I'll go to another picture also, so that we will finish one section. So here, what is this? This is the
pituitary gland.
Pituitary gland. Okay, 1 minute. I'll come to point why I am showing this. So here in the pituitary gland, what you have to answer? Identify the structure. And then you have to answer, so what are the relation of the structure? Relation on both the side, relation superiorly, anteriorly, what it is related.
I think there are fossa.
Yeah,
in the
pituitary fossa, all those things. So here in this picture, so here, so this is about the pituitary gland. So what we'll ask? We'll ask the location. So where it is located, hypophyseal fossa. So it is connected to what? What is the connection? Infundibulum. And what are the parts? Parts of the pituitary gland. Anterior pituitary and posterior pituitary. What is the blood supply? Or what is the venous drainage? Or else the relations, all the relations.
This is important.
Yeah, relations are very important.
The hardest topic is abdomen, doctor, because it's a lot of this.
No, here in the thyroid gland, what we will ask? So what is the in the thyroid gland, we are function, we are not asking. What are the parts? Like isthmus, what is the relation of the isthmus opposite to where it is present? how many lobes are there in the thyroid gland?
Doctor, it's have apex and base. What is the apex and base of the thalamus?
This is the apex. This part is the apex. This is the apex of the thyroid gland. This is the base of the thyroid gland, and this one is the isthmus of the thyroid gland.
Doctor, the
Okay.
longitude line is always present.
Which one?
Of the longitude line.
This one. This one?
Yes. Yes.
No. This is not present all the time.
Okay.
It is present very rare. That is why it is called pyramidal lobe. It is sometimes it is present or it is not present.
Okay. It's
This
good.
structure belongs to this one. It is very often. It is not present regularly. Okay.
Okay.
Next. Same thing. What is the blood supply? What are blood supply of this organ? Venous supply, lymphatic drainage.
Maybe this is the easiest. Superior and anterior and right chest thyroid.
Yes. Like
You
that,
can
you have
just
to.
write 2.
No, that's what I'm telling. How many we are asking? So if I ask only blood supply, you can write only 1, you can write 2, or you can write all the 3. If I mention, you write 3 blood vessels.
Doctor, when you see blood supply, we
Then
can
you have to write all the
blood supply. I can just write artery or veins or both of them. About blood supply.
About blood supply, huh?
Okay, I can just write about artery or
Yes.
both of them.
In the
Okay.
no. In the blood supply, you have to write only the artery. And in the venous drainage, you have to write only about the veins.
Okay.
This
Great.
is how the questions will come. Now you got the idea how the questions will be. Then yes, suppose if this picture will come, so what you will write? You have to name the parts.
It's pancreas.
Yeah. No, you have to name according to the. So if I ask only this, any one part, then you have to name the part of that particular part, and then the questions will come according to that. So if you ask, if it is about the head, this question will come.
It's
about the
related
neck,
to duodenum.
yes. About the neck, so anything will come. So what is the structures relating anteriorly? What is relation of posterior relation of the neck?
Posterior relation, doctor, it's the inferior vena cava.
No. This is in the neck. In the neck,
What is
the
that?
anterior junction between stomach and first part of the duodenum.
Anterior.
Yeah.
Okay, I think you're
Anterior
Okay.
relation of neck of the pancreas. Okay. The posterior relation, the veins, the portal vein is present.
Doctor, what is superior mesenteric? Eccentric.
Superior mesenteric vein.
Yeah.
So these are the two veins here. Here there are two veins. The one vein is coming like this. This is superior mesenteric vein, and the another one is coming from the spleen. Okay. This
Okay.
is superior mesenteric vein, and this one is the splenic vein. So now what happens? These two veins, they are joining and continues below. So this is called the portal vein.
It's great.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Here. Or else I will show you in this picture also. This is the superior mesenteric vein. And one more vein, the vein is coming from the spleen. These
What's last
two
question?
veins, these two veins join. Where they are joining? They are joining behind the neck of the pancreas. Okay.
What is
Then,
this? This is the vein.
yeah, vein.
Okay,
Next,
great.
if the body is asked, you have to write the relations of the body. So what are the structures related to that? And then the inferior relation of the body. So what are the inferior relations you have to write? Or then what are the posterior relations, or else name 4 posterior relations of this part. You can write anything. So it is your choice. We are not asking only muscle, only glands or what. So it is your choice what all you want to write. So now you got the idea. So how we will ask the questions?
Yes.
Okay.
Just we have the reproductive. If you can take a look after the take break. Take break.
Yeah, we'll have a break and we'll meet in the practical session at
Okay.
10:30.
Okay, done, doctor.
10:30 you also take some rest and revise whatever. If you have any doubts also, we will meet
Okay.
in the practical session. Okay.
Okay, doctor. Enjoy.
Okay. Thank you. You also enjoy.
Yeah. Okay.